know me, I am Chef Sunflower. I'm a baker on YouTube. I used to record in my mom's house, and I was really in everybody's way when I needed to record, and I really couldn't record a lot, so I just had to take a pause from YouTube and wait till I can get my own space and get my own studio. It all worked out. I'm gonna turn off my TV just in case y'all can hear that. Today we will be creating a studio, budget friendly. This is definitely not gonna go over $200. Most of the equipment I got is from Amazon. I will have a link below showing you how I got everything, prices and stuff. So yeah, let's just get into it. This is my dining room behind me. This is the space that I am going to be recording. If you have a nice kitchen, you can use your kitchen. Just pick an area. It doesn't have to be fancy. So yeah, let's just get into it. I know y'all tired of me talking. I'm tired of talking, so let's just get into it and make this studio. Okay, so over here is my storage shelf space. I got all my equipment right here. I just want this closed, so I'm moving it over. And it's really old, so I have to be careful. But, you know, y'all don't need to see this, so just, you know, give me a minute. So I moved that over, and just hanging a couple pictures, couple decorations up that I just like. This still is my dining room. And this is going to be the backdrop I hang up. It is white brick, and I got this from Amazon, of course. The link and stuff will be below. And right now I'm just putting it up. I have a backdrop, and I could have put it on my backdrop, but it just kept on moving around with the wind, so it would have stayed still. So I figured out it would be better to just tape it on there and just, you know, that way it stays still and it looks actually like a wall. So yeah, when you got it up there, you know, you want to look through your camera a couple times and make sure it's straight. The thing you'll definitely need is some type of light source. You can use a ring light, or you can use a softbox. I recommend use a softbox because that light is more spread out, and ring lights are more focused in a circle. They're more for selfies and just, you know, just one person instead of out there. So get a softbox, get a light source, a light source. Sorry, it was about like 30 or 40, but softboxes are like 50 to 70 and up. So yeah, just got it. Okay, so I'm just moving my chairs out the way because I'm creating a countertop space because I'm cooking, and if I want to get like a full view of myself and the cake, I can just, you know, record that. I have these things called furniture risers. They usually like for beds or couches, but you can also use them for tables. These I think are like 2-inch blocks. I don't know. They raise like 2. I don't know. The description will be down below. These are, you know, the extra big ones. They all came together. You can either use them separately or you can put them on top of each other. And that's what I'm gonna do because I like my tables high. Because I'm a shorty and I need my cake to be as close as possible with the camera. So I'm about to put these underneath. Okay, so I'm just putting my furniture risers underneath my table. If you guys do this and you're doing it by yourself, this is a great technique. I learned the hard way, but yeah, do it on each side. See how it looks pretty good. I gotta move that backdrop down some more, so give me a moment. Let me fix that. Okay, so I'm just moving my backdrop down. Once again, checking if I have it straight or not, over and over. Of course, eventually it got fixed, and this is the shot. I'm just putting some tape at the bottom right now, you know, just to make sure all the wrinkles are out, trying to stretch it as far as possible. Trying to give it that realistic effect. Clean it off, because you know, Corona out here. And I'm just doing some shots, you know, just seeing how I look. And you want to do this and test it out through your camera, you know, record yourself, just see how you look. Okay, so this right here is something, if you're doing like overhead shots and stuff, this is a great thing to use. This is definitely not needed, but if you want it, you can get it. I'll have the link for this below, of course, obviously. But this is just me putting it together. It's usually used for drawing, but you can definitely use it for, you know, anything. And this is how it looks through the camera. I just want to do a recap. Altogether, you need 5 things to make a studio. First, you need space. Pick a space. You need a light source, ring light, softbox, regular light. You need a table if you're cooking, like me. If you want to do scenes where you are standing up, you're gonna need furniturizers. If you want to make your table into a like countertop space, use furniturizer, backdrop, and a power source. Make sure you have a plug around whatever space you pick. Okay, I'm not going to go into excuses of why I messed up, but number 5 is phone. Just know it's phone, people, phone. And I think that's really all the tips I have for you guys. I hope that helped. Me, I'm pretty happy with my studio. There is also, if you do end up getting the same backdrop, I will link a video down below. I watch YouTube as well as be on it. So there is a woman who has a great video on how to iron out backdrops, you know, without burning them. So I will put that link down below for you guys. If you have any tips for me on studio, I'm willing to take them below. Or if you have any questions about my equipment or anything like that, just let me know below. Follow me on Instagram at Chef Sunflower. You guys subscribe and keep on watching my channel. I do baked goods. I drop a video like every week, so stay tuned.
Chef Sunflower, and I'm going to show you how to turn your dining room into a studio.
I'm Chef Sunflower, and I'm going to tell you how to make a studio on a budget. Okay, and under $200. To this.